Noong 2008, halos lahat ay naniniwala sa isang bagay. Masyadong maliit si Manny Pacquiao. Pati si Oscar De La Hoya sinabing maliit lang si Manny at kaya niya itong talunin.
Manny's a very dangerous problem for you. Oscar De La Hoya is talking about Victor. So HBO showed me the videos of you and Manny. I'm gonna fight him. I'm fighting him next. And I go, that's not a good idea. Oh, you're funny. He's little. I said, no. Manny's little, but he hits hard with both hands. He's left-handed. I said, dog, you and I do not fight the same.
Sa kabilang sulok ay si Oscar De La Hoya, isang alamat ng boxing, Olympic gold medalist, 6 na beses naging world champion sa iba't ibang timbang. Isa sa pinakamalaking pangalan sa kasaysayan ng boxing. At sa kabilang sulok, isang Pilipinong galing pa sa lightweight division. Para sa marami, hindi ito patas na laban. Sa katunayan, makalipas ang ilang taon, inamin mismo ni Oscar De La Hoya na akala niya ay magiging madaling laban lamang si Manny Pacquiao. Pero may isang bagay na hindi nakita ng mundo. At pagsapit ng gabi ng laban, magbabago ang kasaysayan ng boxing.
When you fought Pacquiao, I think they stopped the fight.
Yeah.
In the 8th round.
I didn't come out for the 9th.
You didn't come out. You're right. You didn't come out.
And then I said, let me dare to be great again and fight this young kid who they're talking about at 147. So I knew in my head that it was over for me. The first round happened. He punched me. I couldn't throw back. I literally wanted to die in that ring. And I said, no, I want one more. Because in my head, I was thinking, if he punches me, maybe I won't wake up, you know?
Noong inanunsyo ang laban, maraming eksperto ang nagtaas ng kilay. Hindi dahil mahina si Manny, kundi dahil masyadong malaki si Oscar. Si Pacquiao ay paakyat ng timbang. Habang si De La Hoya ay matagal nang lumalaban laban sa mas malalaking kalaban. Mas mahaba ang abot, mas mabigat, mas malaki ang katawan, at mas may karanasan sa welterweight division. Para sa marami, isang maling desisyon ito. May ilan pang naniniwalang maaaring masaktan ng husto si Manny. Pero hindi si Freddie Roach. Habang nagdududa ang mundo, may nakikita siyang hindi nakikita ng iba. Matagal nang pinag-aralan ni Freddie Roach si Oscar. At may napansin siya. Habang tumatagal ang laban, bumabagal si Oscar. At may isa pang problema. Nahihirapan siya sa mabilis na southpaw. Eksaktong katangian ni Manny Pacquiao. Habang sinasabi ng marami na masyadong maliit si Manny, si Freddie naman ay kumbinsidong kaya nilang manalo. Hindi dahil sa lakas, hindi dahil sa timbang, kundi dahil sa bilis, timing, at walang katapusang pressure. Sa unang pagkakataon, may mga tao nang nagsisimulang maniwala. Baka may tsansa nga si Manny.
It's finally time for our main event. Oscar De La Hoya versus Manny Pacquiao in a fight which has spawned obsessive scrutiny for small numerical detail.
December 6, 2008. MGM Grand, Las Vegas. Punong-puno ang arena. Sa isang sulok, ang golden boy ng boxing. Sa kabilang sulok, ang pambansang kamao. At nang tumunog ang bell, may kakaibang nangyari. Hindi umatras si Manny. Hindi siya natakot. Hindi siya nagmukhang maliit. Sa halip, siya ang mas mabilis. Siya ang unang nakakabitaw. At siya ang unang nakakakuha ng respeto. Sa unang mga round, inaasahan ng marami na kokontrolin ni Oscar ang laban gamit ang kanyang jab. Pero hindi iyon nangyari. Patuloy na pumapasok si Manny. Sunod-sunod ang kaliwa. Sunod-sunod ang kombinasyon. At sa bawat minuto, mas lalong nagugulat ang mga manonood. Hindi si Manny ang mukhang maliit. Hindi si Manny ang nahihirapan. Si Oscar. Unti-unting nawawala ang kanyang ritmo. Habang si Pacquiao, parang mas lalong bumibilis.
The Filipino crowd chanting for Pacquiao as he moved toward the center of the ring even before the opening bell. Fight. Is Pacquiao here to try to... Today, they do...
But he's fighting a very intelligent fight.
He takes a straight left hand and a right hook from Pacquiao and seems intent on retaliating.
Fight, and I think as it goes on, sooner or later you're going to get some very good exchanges. But right at the moment, but getting busy, watching the jab. But right now, Manny is hitting him with his punches off.
That momentarily shocked Oscar.
Surprised me and has been probably the most effective punch. The little left hand lead
was, even though dangerous and destructive, largely a one-note tune. Jab, jab, straight left hand. his ability to fashion the the lead left hand.
His upper body movement with his hands.
He was always put in.
Upper body movement and defense is very, very effective, let's just say. Oscar cannot time his head.
De La Hoya has not been able to solve Pacquiao. De La Hoya hasn't really gotten his offense going, and he hasn't solved Pacquiao's game yet.
He's stationary.
Oscar De La Hoya has fought since September of 1997 when he fought Hector Camacho Sr.
Round 4 hanggang round 6. Sa puntong ito, nakikita na ng lahat. May problema si Oscar. Patuloy siyang tinatamaan. Patuloy siyang nahuhuli. At hindi niya masagot ang bilis ni Manny. Minsan, nakatayo lamang siya habang sunod-sunod ang suntok na pumapasok. Hindi makapaniwala ang mga commentator. Hindi makapaniwala ang mga fans. Ang lalaking sinabing masyadong maliit. Siya ngayon ang kumokontrol sa laban.
And a super destructive punch for De La Hoya. I asked Freddie Roach yesterday in our meeting, I said, have you ever seen Oscar De La Hoya really hurt somebody with the right hand? And he smiled knowingly and said, nope. For the same reason that Pacquiao is landing his straight left hand. The avenue of approach is open.
And if Oscar's not going to move his head and lead jab, Manny could not time him so much. And even if he doesn't land his
doubt coming in as to whether Pacquiao could.
Watch when Manny lands his left, he then moves off often to his own right.
All of them seem to be landing for Pacquiao.
Oscar looks old and he cannot control the situation. The speed. And that's exactly
beaten. Low blow by Pacquiao. After he strafed De La Hoya with the right hand upstairs.
What is the feeling of a fighter when he's in there with somebody who's always beating him to the punch?
This is a terrible feeling. The worst thing it is I say, the deal, not handling speed. And he doesn't block those right hands at all. He has his right hand permanently stuck to the side of his face. And Manny just punches us like a wide open invitation.
Anything,
he has no defense.
That he's doing this.
No, it's a brilliant fight plan for Pacquiao. Far more of an intelligent and tactical fight plan than I personally had expected. And perhaps more so than De La Hoya expected as well.
When a lot of the experts...
Good body shot by Oscar.
Biggest punch of the fight for De La Hoya, and he suddenly gets it going with 3 left hooks.
To get back into this fight.
Well, if judges are looking for a round to give to De La Hoya, this might be the one, although now Pacquiao rallies and prevent Pacquiao from countering him as effectively as he has so far.
Manny has landed his only cup, if you notice. He's never been worn because Oscar has his cup extremely high. So they're really on the belt line.
In May, fighting Manny Pacquiao is something entirely different from fighting Steve Forbes.
Pagsapit ng round 7, halos isang panig na lamang ang laban. Patuloy ang atake ni Manny. At patuloy na tumatanggap ng suntok si Oscar. Wala nang sagot. Wala nang depensa. Wala nang ritmo. Pagkatapos ng ika-8 round, ginawa ng kampo ni Oscar ang pinakamahirap na desisyon. Hindi na nila siya pinabalik para sa round sham. Makikita sa video ang maiyak-iyak na kampo nila Oscar De La Hoya. TKO. Panalo si Manny Pacquiao.
Pacquiao. I mean, Oscar De La Hoya hasn't gotten off the schneid. He's getting shut out. Nice straight left hand by Pacquiao, and then he turns him. He moves to the side. And
fighters in a long time.
Yeah, Ricardo Mayorga's no elite fighter in my view. No. He's the most willing target in the sport.
But still, you would think against the so-called smaller man, we'd see something more.
But I think Jim summed it up. There's too much of everything. He just cannot figure out how to get into the fight, how to hold him off, how to get to it.
But Manny is too smart and too fast for it.
This fight's going to probably end up being stopped.
Manny Pacquiao is annihilating Oscar De La Hoya. And in the 7th round, De La Hoya has 0 answers for the Pacquiao assault. Pacquiao is making De La Hoya look old, slow, ineffectual.
Of this era, right now, he's looking like the immortal Armstrong.
And Oscar is barely throwing back.
Who's looking
hard shots. De La Hoya hasn't been down, but that may be the only thing that's keeping Weeks from stopping it. An embarrassing 7th round. comes to a close. Embarrassing for De La Hoya.
Yeah. Who is the most exciting little fighter in the world?
Little.
Big
He looks
little
big
fighter.
tonight. All right, Larry, you envisioned this one. Could you see Pacquiao against Margarito?
No, and he himself says he's going back to 140 after this fight. This could be the end of the fight here by 1,000 left hands.
May have the best chance of picking up his identity as the economic bell cow of the sport. 20 weeks has a tough decision in front of him. There's a lot of glory and a lot of money in Oscar De La Hoya's past, but he's got...
If you keep taking punches, I'm stopping the fight. Okay?
We're gonna stop it. Better we stop it. It's our decision, Oscar. It's a decision that we have to take. There's no reason to continue with this. He's too fast. Are you okay? Are you with that? You agree? Yes. One more round, or is that it? Is that it?
Right now, you're here. The corner is wanting to stop the fight.
Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Let's finish it. That's it. Let's go.
It's over. Manny Pacquiao has beaten Oscar De La Hoya.
And it was the right thing to do.
This is the last thing of all the choices we expected to see in this fight, which was a one-sided fight for Manny Pacquiao.
Noong una, sabi nila masyadong maliit si Manny. Sabi nila masyadong malaki si Oscar. Sabi nila hindi siya kabilang sa timbang na yon. Pero sa boxing, hindi laging laki ang nananalo. Minsan, bilis, disiplina, at puso. At sa gabing iyon, pinatunayan ni Manny Pacquiao sa buong mundo na minsan ang pinakamaliit na tao sa ring ang may pinakamalaking laban na kayang ipanalo.